nyina kwaba e de ba attention TV so ebusuafo nsema e de tene e wo ye man money aman foforo so no eno ne eboabo ano ne aso no so project so sunsu e de abedan ya hwefo na ebusuafo e kama kwakoye se ebi mu pa de so ombetito mu magye ni pa na so ombeso monim fifre aso no ombedi ye wa brabo mu de omumpe de biara da na enden video bia ba beda monten so abayiwa bia ono akasa ko eye malam bi ho e wo Volta region so ko ye no okwa kope eye sikeduro anase Sakawa bi awo eye papa yi ho no mo me fa so edumsini ebi mususu aye malam ebi mususu aye konfo abra abayiwa yi ko ye konfo imbo yenim de ko ba ya konfo imbo eku abayiwa ya police for ensa akwakosua eye konfo imo na yam kwani yakoboye ni akonma ne nhwe mesia eye video no ne nsem ne nyina esiko
eye ketu south ho e na mede wo eko na konfo baako e wo ho no mo no de wagye din pa ani din ene honu abeku kalavi azuma ni din eno no na papa yi boni a wedi ene se maame bi afri eye Kumasi ha eko eye Volta region ketu south ho eko hu papa yi se opesika enu nti no de sika koye se on double no efa emma no na boni a papa yi edi ene se maame no koye no e wagye ne ho sika nyina no wie ye no so no waku no ede no ahye baabi a enedwe ya me no wo ekasai ena posifo edi eye konfo yi achi a che so kwakere baabi a oku maame no wode ehye ya wakwakutu maame no funu ema nei aposifo etimi edi efunu no ede ekomoju na che se ahonom na owo no sika no do kwa ontumi double no emfa mawo na momo ko beje hu sika nyina wakoye obayi so die uni ahodin bia ene se waku maame ya ene ne to adadi agese ye de ho nsem ede ebrewo na ensem we fafa eye radio no e wo Volta region agedin pa wo honom wo mo ene breaking news yi ede maye ayi hu ye wo mo Facebook agese mo de beto honom agese papa konfo eye abeku kalavi azuma no ene de ne to adadi na ensem ne baye no videos no echegu videos no doso na se kasa no na yi nyina akoye Volta nti no dodo na entiase na eno ne nya nipa ba akwa ne din ene togbe akpe clicker mawuli ono so yenya no a oba Facebook just obetron nsem no mu chechire mu de koba ya papa yi etimi eje eye sister yin kwa de free nsem a just say sikadro na wenya nya ama no nso oje ne kwa edi free nsem ti mewidi de togbe ebetro de to Facebook no ama ye nyina ya tiase ya video ni ye share de kasa no wom de nso ye hye dante so atiase nti be read in English na just say yetumi ati ase me kire me read e de amount say ena togbe try de to one more say hono abeku kalavi azuma a traditional kuku hona in a latewuti a sub community in the Yami electoral area of Ketu South municipality. He's believed to be one of the great priests who have power in money doubling and ritual money making. So many citizens fall a victim in his hand as he defraud them in this money doubling business. It is also believed that when you come for the money process, there was a perfume sold for about 20,000 Ghana cedis that you would be told to go and buy. These perfumes are also sold by his own workers. The true fact of this perfume is when you buy the perfume on your way going to his Agbepo, the perfume will blast on your way coming. And when you reach to him, he will tell you to go and buy another one because since the first one blasts, it can start the money ritual manipulating business. Let's just say, quarter perfume na perfume no, obeka cho so quarter bra, ne boarding papa pay ye. So I say 20,000 Ghana cedis sika no 200 million and a quarter perfume. Now they buy kwano so no e be blast. Nti asay no jo san quarter foforo. Na wo di aba nti na just we nya sika no so nya de say e be ye. Mama nto so emfa emma. Hono Abeko was picked up at his residence on the 4th of April 2023 by some Ghana military and Ghana police service for nothing nobody is aware of. It is believed that the suspect, Hono Abeko, killed a client all away from Kumasi who came to him for his money manipulating assistance. The woman was told to buy some items for the process and she did buying the items, and a day was given to her to come for the starting process. When this woman came back to honor Abeko, she came with her own car, and from the day the woman came to Abeko residence, she is nowhere to be found again. Through investigations, he was accompanied by Ghana military and Ghana police service yesterday 10 a.m. to show them exactly where he buried the dead body. More investigation is ongoing. And it's no na meridi a day amawono. It's no woman no ba ho na mono. They also to be otoye. And the perfume no koto de kwa na blast no asan koto foforo. Eni nyina ne se mami o pesika no dodo. Or the sika baye papa yi endobo sika no efa ema no ene chese ni nyina akọ wie sei a chese ya je ne nkwade afri ni nsem time ye tu no edi afri eyam nanim ne dia no odin intebia na video no nya ho no clear enhwe ne so hwe time a police for be fa no okọ chire funu ni wie ye se de ni pe twehia ho no.
Yeah, fellow Ghanaians, your family first Anan, the doubting Thomas. Me wo eni jesem sunko bi edebrewo. Di obi apene daachi bia no, eno ho adwuma ena oye. Se opese wo YouTube daachi, anase wo social media handles no daachi, eye perfect dia, then eye baby back. Ozitech, oho ena betumi aboa ama wetumi advance. Na me catch you say Ozitech ombeboa ama wo social media handles ni na akoso they will boost it for you. Eye Facebook ombeboost ama, Twitter ombeboost ama, TikTok ombeboost ama, Instagram ombeboost ama. Na there dey wo mukra ne say wo YouTube no hwe eba no subscribers ombeboost ama, eba no followers ombeboost ama, eba no watch hours and also boost ama yes a drop and drop baby I wanna know na so obi san subscriber a sign add up we na opede kaya moto na ze dey na me catch us omo so making money ewo eye social media handles no say for YouTube or social bia ewo social media handles na dey me say Ozitech and the beboa ama will making money Emma wo nyambo every month bia you make money I bet me a sustain you ewo abrabonum ombema wenya from 0 viewers to a million we na opede kaya moto mbium se wo pe Ozitech echira kwan a enye rira kwan kra ma me fa number no ntubia se de be abetuna from na opese wo kosua anase opese wo boost to social media handles na oni omo bedidwa 0598 697619. Me repeat number the amount 0598 697619. Ozitech na or say you make money every month.
Video ya kwakwohwe you mesia eye konfo yi no ho akoka e wa aban mu. Ama microphone do na de o ma dwenkyere ba fa wo de to comment section ho se na be ya metimi akenkan e de amount. Social media handles ni na YouTube no Attention TV e wo hono mo. Like, share, comment e wo Facebook no so e wo hono Attention Tvgh. E na Facebook bo ho modi aso be di channel no ho adanse de atwa foforo. Wo yes aso na Awurade hira. Wo hia mo abonti a. Bo me samra ne frem. Ohima echa.